Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make this beautiful little crown shape. First we are cutting the small pink square craft paper and make many shapes like this. After this we are going to join all of them one after another, paste these bow shapes, and look, it is ready. Let's draw this beautiful bow shape. We are going to fold this blue craft paper and start folding it and make a bow shape. Tie it at the center and look, it is ready. Look at this beautiful flower. Let's make it. Take a square craft paper and start folding it like this from its corners. We're going to make the petals of the flower. So flip it one after another and start folding it like this. And look, it is almost ready. Now we are going to tuck it inside and we are going to do this from all its sides like this. Now curl the petals using a pen and you will get a beautiful flower. Make two such shapes, put all of them inside, and look, your flower is ready. We are going to make this beautiful little envelopes. We are folding this yellow craft paper and again fold it like this. Now open it like this and fold it from its corners. Again open it and look, it is ready. Now we are going to finally fold it like this and look, it's done. Paste different stickers on it and decorate it and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.